guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving session. So this is 1512 number of good pairs. So give an array of integers, and a pair ij is good if they are the same, and I less than j. Okay, so this problem is very simple. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3. You see there are 4 good pairs. 0, 3, because 0, 3 is 1 and 1, 0, 4 is also 1 and 1, 3 and 4 is 1 and 1, and both 2 and 5 are 3 and 3. So from this example that you know how to get the answer, right? Because suppose I have 3 1, I have 3 ones, then it will give me 3 pair, and then if I have the 2 3, then it gives me 1 pair. So basically, it's like the suppose you have n same numbers in an array, then it will give you n times n minus 1 divided by 2 pairs. So for example, if you see this very obviously, this 6 just 4 times 3 divided by 2. Okay, so it's very easy that if we use the from collections equals counter, so counter will count how many numbers and return a dictionary. So let me run code. So I first do the counter of the number. So it will tell me that you have 1 has 3, and 3 there are two of them are 3, and 1 of them is 2. Okay, so it's very easy that we just take their values. I can this a is the answer, right? A initialized at 0, and for each values I just add the I times I minus 1 divided by 2. So this is very simple fact that I already explained. Suppose you have n same numbers, then it will create n times n minus 1 divided by 2, and the reason is just you choose n from 2, right? Choose n from 2. Okay, and then you just return a. Okay, so this problem is just simple simple math can solve it. Okay, and I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.